Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you are looking for a wireless car charger, I have this beautiful one from Joyroom Direct. My husband is super happy because this works directly with his vehicle and it works awesome. The car charger comes with an included USB to USB-C cord. Once you have it plugged into your vehicle, really you can put any kind of phone that you want into this charger because everything is done through the wireless connectivity in the back. The car charger mounts directly to your vehicle's vents. So if you have a horizontal car vent, you are all set when it comes to this charger. And what's really cool is that it's fully adjustable. So whatever kind of vehicle you have, it will be sure to fit in very snugly thanks to the included brackets. Once you place your phone into the phone mount, the outside arms will automatically close around the phone, holding it securely in place. Then it will begin charging your phone automatically, no need to plug your phone in. I really like this charger because it also charges super fast. Once you hook in your phone, it stays in place and it will charge it up in no time. My husband was really excited because he's looked for countless number of chargers. None of them seemed to work, but this one worked immediately and it's been holding his phone in place ever since. If that's what you're looking for, you're going to be super happy and satisfied with this charger, and that's my point of view.